Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Wow, this is a super sexy Chevelle. Just look at that car, the way it sits and sparkles. It sparkles inside and out. It's a body off the frame, big block 66 Chevelle. Hey, I'm Jay Grams. You can go to volocars.com, and that's where you get all the pricing, specs, photos on this car and a few hundred other collector cars, and each one of them is for sale. So go to volocars.com to check that out. But for right now, why don't you come with me and I'll take you for a spin in a 66 Chevelle big block. Like I said, it's been body off frame restored. On our website, we have photos of the underside. Every component, every cable, clip, clamp, everything looks new. The floors are super clean, painted a nice satin black finish. So it's got a turbo 400 trans. It has all new upgraded brake system, and it's disc at all four wheels. New fuel system, including the tank, the straps, even the little insulators underneath the straps. The whole front end's completely rebuilt. New shocks. So the bottom of this car is new. Top of it's new as well. All the trim, the moldings, the emblems, the key locks, the tail lights, the stainless trim. The front and back windows are both new. The side glass is really nice, original. It's tinted glass. It all fits real nice. But all this stuff is what makes the difference. The chrome pillars, the rubber's soft, has the bow tie mirrors. Of course, the rally wheels with red line tires really make it pop. I think they're 15-inch wheels, all new trim. So really a sharp looking car. Up front, it's all new, the grille, the trim. It's got the SS hood on it. That is a 454 engine that's in there. It's all fresh, all the nuts and bolts and gaskets, everything looks new. It's got HEI ignition, aluminum intake. I said the brake system's all new, so the master, the lines, the booster is new. It's got GM hoses. Everything's proper. Power steering with the correct remote reservoir for the steering. All the trim, all of this just beautiful. Jambs are painted slick, new weather strips, new sill plates. Look at the seats, the trim, the seat backs, even the seat belts front and back look like they're new. They are GM seat belts. Door panels, even the window cranks, the handles, all new. Trunk compartment's all clean metal. It's painted up real nice. This is painted nice. New rubber, has a red line tire on a painted rim. The jack assembly is restored, so it's all proper. This is a factory air-conditioned car. The guy I bought it from said that is a rebuilt compressor, so it's not installed in the car, so it would take a little bit of work, not a whole lot of work, to get air conditioning working in this beauty. The light in the console is on. The overhead light works. The cushions in the seats are new. Not only does that make the seats feel real good, but it makes the upholstery fit real nice too. It's nice, tight as a drum. The whole dash area is restored. All the metal is painted. All the chrome is sparkling. It has the factory in-dash gauges. Under here, the shroud, the alternator, the wiper motor. Looks like it has all new wiring harness. It has the hood insulation, spring clamp battery cables, new fuel pump. I'll start it in a minute. Getting back to the dash, the vents. It has a retro stereo fit right in the factory hole, and there's an auxiliary plug. I think it was in the center console in this one. The whole center console's new. The clock works in there. The headliner, the visors, the mirror, it's all new. And it not only is it new, but it all fits right. They did a good job putting this car together. There's 6x9 speakers in back, and it looks like there is an antenna lead going to each of these antennas. We'll start it up. This is a cold start. It's been sitting in here overnight. It hasn't been started since yesterday. The lights and the shift indicator works. Dash lights work. All the heater controls look real nice. Got the mesh speaker tray in the back. That idle will come down a little bit once it's warmed up and it's got that nice lopey sound. So there you have it, a very well dialed in turnkey car ready for show and go. Gorgeous looking. So go to volocars.com. I have a whole staff of people. Plenty of ways to contact us on the website. They can answer all your questions. We have shipping, we have financing. We can help with all of that. That's at volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We keep putting these videos on, and that's the best way to see them as they come out. Thank you for your time, and come back for more.